What's going on, guys? My name is Jared Wallace, three-time Paralympian, three-time world champion, four-time world record holder, and today we're here for the unboxing of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. Now, to be honest with you, thought the box would be a little bit bigger, but we'll see what they have for us. Got us a nice little tissue paper action. Oh man, we got us a key fob. Let's see what this thing goes to. Time to check this thing out. It's gonna be hard to miss this car driving down the road, especially with this amazing solar octane color. But for me, it's the TRD Pro Heritage grille that really stands out. We have a nice little camera feature on the front. We'll talk more about that later. This is a mean looking machine. We also have these awesome TRD stamped running lights that sit on top of the grille. When you look underneath the Toyota, we've got an LED light bar. It is an amazing new addition to this vehicle. Let's pop open the hood and see what's inside. Let me introduce you to the iForce Max. This 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo hybrid engine is an absolute machine. With 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, this thing can fly. Now, I absolutely love the previous Tundra's V8 engine, but this V6 is something special. With a 10-speed transmission, it is smooth as butter when you're accelerating, regardless of what speed you're going. And with an EPA estimated 20 mpg combined rating. So since we're under the hood, let's uncover some of the Easter eggs they left on this vehicle for us. There's a cool little stamp on the passenger side, the state of Michigan, that represents where they actually did the R&D for this vehicle. And over here on the driver's side, there is a Texas-born emblem for where the Tundra was built. Because this is the TRD Pro model, it comes with this burly quarter-inch thick aluminum skid plate to protect some things underneath the vehicle. As you can see, we also have these BBS wheels and the TRD suspension package, but let's check that out from a different angle. Now, I know a thing or two about Fox shocks, since I train in one every day. But this Tundra TRD Pro comes with 2.5-inch diameter Fox 163 internal bypass shocks. These things are unbelievable. Let's not forget these epic BBS forged wheels and all-terrain Falcon tires. They'll take you just about anywhere. Gone are the days of the leaf spring suspension in the previous Tundra. Say hello to the new multi-link rear suspension. Now, I'm pretty sure that that just means it helps it drive smooth, but I don't know a whole lot about suspension, so I'm gonna hand it off to a guy that does.
This is available across all grades of the Tundra, not just on this TRD Pro.
Sweet.
And it's what gives it such good road feel and handling.
Oh, sweet. Now, this new Tundra is totally redesigned from the ground up, with an all-new box steel frame that is both lighter and stronger than the previous generation. It's no wonder it drives so smooth. When I got behind this wheel for the first time, I was shocked that I was driving a massive Tundra. It felt more like a crossover. If you don't believe me, you'll have to test drive one yourself. Another cool thing about this TRD Pro was how they built the box steel frame. They use this unique welding technique called the Dojima, I think? Is that how you pronounce it?
Dojima.
Dojima. So what exactly does Dojima mean?
All right, so it's non-linear laser welding. So basically it lets them put different strength and different thickness materials in different places. So it's stronger where you want it and then lighter where you want it also.
That's pretty cool. So this Tundra handles even better than my previous Tundra. But let's not forget, it's still a truck and it's meant to haul things. One of my favorite features on this new Tundra is if your hands are full and you need to get into the bed of the truck, we got this nice little bump switch. And voila. So now that we're in the bed of the truck, we can't go any longer without talking about this ultra durable composite bed that we have. This is a huge step up from the previous edition Tundra, and something that you know now, you're gonna have an ultra durable bed coming straight out of the factory. It also has an amazing camera in the back, so if you wanna check on how things are doing in the bed of your truck, you have that option inside. Some of the other cool features in this truck is the deck rail system. This will help you tie down any toys or fun things that you have in the back. And then one of my favorite features is this 120 volt, 400 watt outlet. Most recently, I actually used this to blow up a bouncy house for some kids to play at the park, and they had a blast. And finally, this truck comes with a payload capacity of 1,940 pounds. Now that's a lot. Since we're talking about hauling, and depending on the grade of the Tundra that you get, this thing can tow up to 12,000 pounds. Now, I don't know about you, but there's not a whole lot that I tow that exceeds that 12,000 pound limit. Another feature this Tundra comes with is the available straight path assist. I hate backing up the boat down the boat ramp. And this thing is going to be a game changer. It keeps both the truck and the trailer in a straight line as you back up. Now that's something I'll use all the time. Another thing they did with this new build was they increased the width compared to the previous Tundra. This really helps in assisting stability when you're towing. So I've always loved the spaciousness that exists inside of the Tundra, and this one is even better than the previous. It is built off of the limited edition, which gives you so many extra features. In this model, there are heated and ventilated seats. It is something special. Now, it's hard to miss this all-new 14-inch Toyota Audio multimedia touchscreen. This thing is massive and has all the features you would want in it. One of the features it comes with is a wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. What is it exactly?
So it's wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility.
Yeah, I mean, this thing has all the connectivity you can get, and it's super easy to use. 12 speakers, 1200 watts, JBL audio. It is next level sound.
Is your home theater even 1200 watts?
No, and it's not 12 speakers. So, you know, now I got the best of both worlds. So gone are the days of the analog instrument cluster. Say hello to the new 12.3-inch full-color multi-information display. Seems like there may be a lot of screens going on here in this new Tundra, but they have made them extremely intuitive, easy to use while operating your vehicle. So speaking of safety, remember all those cameras I was showing you earlier? Check out what they can do. You got a little studio shot action here. Seeing some behind the scenes. They all connect together and you can get a 360 view around your vehicle. Pretty epic technology. So the vehicle is also equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, and the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which can brake for you and help prevent a collision. There's also available multi-terrain select. This helps you increase traction regardless of what you're driving on. And available crawl control keeps speed and acceleration consistent at low speeds. So you can just focus on steering and navigating through the terrain. And if you're towing a trailer, there's also a blind spot monitor with trailer merge warning. And that can help make road trips with a trailer that much easier. For the final Easter egg hidden in this Toyota Tundra, up here on the dash, there's this epic Morse code that says, "Badass trucks." One last feature I have to mention before we end the video is my favorite feature that was actually on the previous Tundra as well, and it is the powered rear window. So sometimes when I'm with my buddies and we go camping and we want to listen to music, instead of opening up the doors, we just drop the rear window down, turn it up a little bit, and listen to some tunes. It is the coolest feature that I think the Tundra has to offer. So thanks for watching my unboxing of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. I realize we didn't put it in a box, but after watching this video, I think you'll agree with me in saying this truck doesn't belong in a box. It belongs in the wild. Let's go places.